process. Many reaction process versus chain reactions, polymerization, explosion. Elementary reaction steps in chain reactions. Initiation step. Creation of chain carriers, radical ions, neutrons which are capable of propagating a chain by vigorous collisions, photon absorption. Or the dot here signifies the radical carrying unpaired electrons. Propagating step. Attacking reactant molecule to generate new chains carrier. Termination step. Two chains carriers combining resulting in end of a chain growth. There are also other reactions occur during chain reactions. Retardation step. Chain carrier attacking product molecules, breaking them to reactant, leading to net reducing of product formation rate. Inhibition step. Chain carrier being destroyed by reacting with Wall or foreign, leading to net reducing of number of chain carriers. Chain reactions rate law. Rate law of chain reaction. Example, overall reaction H2 plus Br2 gives us 2HBr. Initiation, propagation and termination. Chain reactions, polymerization, monomer, the initial molecule unit in a polymer. Type 1 polymerization, chain polymerization. And activated monomers attack another monomer linked to it, then likes another monomer, so on, leading the chain growth eventually to polymer. Type 2 polymerization, stepwise polymerization. A specific section of molecule A react with a specific section of molecule B, forming chain. Note, if a small molecule is dropped as a result of reaction like a H2O dropped in reaction 1, this type of reaction is called condensation reaction. Protein molecules are formed in this way. The rate law for the overall reaction of this type is the same as its elementary step involving one hydrogen containing unit and one hydroxide containing unit, which is the second order. Chain reaction explosion. Type 1 explosion, chain branching explosion. Chain branching. During propagating step of chain reaction, one attack by a chain carrier can produce more than one new chain carriers. Chain branching explosion. When a chain branching occurs, the number of carriers increasing exponentially, the rate of reaction may cascade into collision. Example, 2H2 plus O2 gives us 2H2. Initiation. H2 plus O2 gives us O2H plus H. Propagation, non-branching, H2 plus O2H, OH plus H2O. Non-branching, branching lead to explosion. Type 2 explosion, thermal explosion. A rapid increase of the rate of exothermic reaction with temperature. Strictly speaking, thermal explosion is not caused by multiple production of chain carrier. Must be exothermic reaction, must be in a confined space and within short time. The combination of chain branching reaction with heat accumulation can occur simultaneously. Photochemical reactions. Photochemical reaction, the reaction that is initiated by the absorption of light. ये वो reaction है जो कि light के या फिर photons के absorb होने के साथ शुरू होते हैं. Characteristics of photon absorption, quantum yield. A reactant molecule after absorbing a photon becomes excited. The excitation may lead to product formation or may be lost in form of heat emission. The number of specific primary products, radical, photon, excited molecule or an ion formed by absorption of each photon is called primary quantum yield. The number of reactant molecules that react as a result of each photon absorbed is called overall quantum yield. Primary quantum yield phi is equal to 2, 1 hydrogen and 1 iodine. Overall quantum yield is 2 hydrogen iodide molecules reacted. Many chain reactions are initiated by photochemical reaction. Because of chain, overall quantum yield can be very large. The quantum yield of a photochemical reaction depends on the wavelength of light used. Wavelength selectivity of photochemical reaction. A light with a specific wavelength may only excite a specific type of molecule. Quantum yield of a photochemical reaction may vary with light wavelength used. Isotope separation. Photochemical reactions application. Different isotope species, different mass, different frequencies required to match their vibration rotation energies. Photosensitization photochemical application. Reactant molecule A may not be activated in a photochemical reaction because it does not absorb light. But A may be activated by the presence of another molecule B which can be excited by absorbing light, then transfers